Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. Virgos. If you want more clarity, Virgos, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have five of spheres, three of spheres in reverse, and death. So in your situation, guys, Virgos, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. There is some kind of circumstance unfolding. Maybe the people you work with, you are someone who's really dedicated, responsible, but you find yourself unable to do anything. You feel really stressed, lethargic. You just want to take rest, take a day off from work, maybe, or even if it is in this relationship, you just simply want to take rest, even try to avoid this person. You are in no mood to speak to anyone. You just want to lie there silently. Maybe something is there in your mind, some kind of you are in some kind of an emotional state. You don't want to do anything, maybe without clarity. So you don't want to do anything wrong. That is the reason you are just taking rest, unable to make a choice or make a decision. So some kind of confusion or something is overwhelming you guys, overwhelming some kind of fear or is holding you, gripping you, maybe, and you don't know where this situation will go. Maybe for some of you, you have some illness you are suffering from, or some kind of changes happening in your career that is making you a lot worried, guys. And maybe for some of you, you have a change of job, a change of residence, some kind of a move is happening. Some changes are happening in your life today. Maybe you may like some changes, you may not like some changes, but whether you like it or not, these transformations are happening today, and it may look like something really stressful, something giving you a lot of worry, but you need to understand that these changes are necessary, guys. That is giving you a new direction in your life. So these changes may appear as something troublesome, something worrying, but these are the stepping stones for your future success or happiness, Virgos. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Virgos. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep this card aside So we will see what is this card here. It says all that glitters. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe in your situation, in your relationship, the circumstance calls for you to see the truth, the genuine truth behind what this person is speaking or what they are showing you, guys. The need to see beyond the superficial. Maybe sometimes we try to impress people, and we we act or behave in such a way that is not true to our true nature. So we add more drama, and we make ourselves more appealing to the other person. We try to hide behind that sparkle and shine. But and also sometimes we fail to see the true nature or the truth in that person when we often go for glitz and glamour, guys, which is so desirable. So we often miss the people who are truly genuine towards us. So it is time to look beyond the surface. That is what this card is about, beyond the mask, to see the essence of that other person and who that person is, not what he or she can give you. That is what is important, guys, the true essence of that person. So only if you connect with that true essence, with that truth, you are going to be able to truly connect with that other person. So you should not think of what this person can do for you. You should see what they are truly. So this is the time for you to see them with your heart. Let go of that artificial shine and sparkle that you see, that is visible to you, and go for that authentic shine, what they are truthfully in their heart of hearts. So this may be your energy or that person's energy, guys. Maybe you are trying to hide something about yourself, or they are trying to hide something about themselves. So you need to go for truth. That is what this card is about, guys. Genuinity, authenticity, that is the card for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it is fair, brown and trembling, gifts. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your situation today, you need not accept the fate what other people have allotted for you. You need to overcome your shyness and all that you have done, all that you have faced for this person, that humiliation and whatever pain you have endured. It has brought you something today, some positive changes today, and you need not accept what other people think of you, and you need not value the people who do not value you or respect you. So that is what this card is about. So you need to be with people who protect you, who respect you, and who will fight for you and search for you if you are not there. So you need to be with people who are there with you no matter what, and who love you for what you are and respect you genuinely, guys. So that is what this card is about. So who value you the most and who love you the most. And so even within your family or close friend circle, people really envy you. They are jealous of your gifts or the way things are in your situation. And you need to understand that your good fortune or gifts or whatever positive things you possess has been given to you, and it is your gift to enjoy, guys. You need not give away this happiness to someone else, because they may not realize its worth and they may not enjoy the fruits of your rewards, guys. So that is what this card is about. So you need to be with people who truly respect you and care for you, and you need not listen or respect to people who just um, see you as someone who can bear everything, who can take all humiliation, and you should not let others to use you. That is what this card is about, guys, and that is the meaning of this card. So that is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.